You guys may all realize right now that I'm in my pajamas.
Pajama pants.
You guys are all probably wondering why I'm posting so many videos today.
I got locked in my house because I'm a bad kid.
I didn't clean my room.
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth.
Where's the off button? Oh. Sometimes I don't look attractive, but other days I look sexy. Meep meep.
Me gusta. Se gusta.
Me gusta pizza. I know that probably made no sense, but you know what? I don't care. Haha, you're so funny.
What?
Please don't hurt me, mister.
Come at me, bro.
No. I think I'm okay.
Come on, man. Don't be such a pansy.
You know what? Shut up before I kill you.
Creepy. But seriously, who didn't poop their pants? Come on, don't you remember when you were little and used to play with stuffed animals like that? Ah, ew, you used to do what?
That's just not healthy.
I like chicken, yes I do. I like chicken, how about you? Me gusta gato.